To send old pictures as new snaps on a Snapchat. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. So firstly what you have to do is when you go to your memories by clicking on this record button, which is in the left side of the record button. So when you click on the memories, then you can see the recently added in the snap tab. So you have to go to the any old picture as you can see. When I click on the three dots in the top right corner, it is saying that it is for July 2021. So it is uploaded. So what you have to do to send a old picture as new snaps on a Snapchat is you have to go to the any of the old picture on your Snapchat, and you open it and then click on the three dots in the top right corner and then send a snap. Click on the send a snap, and then you have to send a snap to my story, and then click on the send button, and here you can see it is sending and it is added to a story. Now what you have to do is you have to go to your click on your Bitmoji in the top left corner, and then you come here. Now what you have to do is you have to simply click on the three dots here, and then you have to save the story by clicking on the save a story. You have to click on the yes, and now it is saving a story, and now a story is saved. And now what you have to do is you have to simply click on the three dots. You have to simply click on the your story, and then click on the three dots, and then you have to delete the snap. So firstly click on the delete a snap, and then again click on the delete a snap to confirm. So you have to delete the snap before anyone can see it. And then what you have to do is you have to go back to your camera tab, and then you have to tap on the memories, and then here you can see in the recently added, this is here. So what you can do is firstly what you have to do is you have to click on the three dots, and then here is the option of so and there is the option of export a snap. Click on the export a snap, and then here you have to swipe to the left, and then you can see the option of download. Click on the download button, and then it is exporting the snap, and here you can see your snap was exported. Now you have to go back, and then you have to go to your camera roll, and here you can see that this is the when you click on the three dots and open it, then you can see this is showing my recent date. You can see the 8 July 6:23 am. So you can see this is the recent photo as new snaps. So here you can see I have saved it. And now what you can do is you can click on the three dots, and then you can click on the send a snap, and then you can send to my story by clicking on the send to a story, and here you can see it is added to a story. So that's basically it, that how you can send old pictures as new snaps on a Snapchat. So when you go back to click on the Bitmoji in the top left corner and go back to your story, it is saying that 58 seconds ago. So that's basically it, 1 minute ago. So that's basically it, that how you can do this. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I appreciate that.